this one.
Again, Chaparral, I think, came out and surprised people. Talked about Christakos maybe not playing, maybe just kicking, maybe just fun. How about catching a touchdown pass early? Will Schaefer had a big role in the game last year, played a big role tonight. And then you see the flea flicker pitch and then throwback for another touchdown on 4th down for Chaparral.
And that had given Chaparral a 17-7 lead, which they took into the locker room. But then in the second half, that Saguaro defense stepped up. Jakobs forcing the fumble. Jakob Covington with the recovery. And then it's Kelee Ringo.
Yeah, once he gets going, it's be shocked if they don't spot play him offensively. But once the playoffs get here, would be absolutely shocked if he's not featured prominently on offense, because he just draws attention to himself and allows other players to shine offensively.
And it's Jakob Pettijohn with the big play for Saguaro. The SaberCats come away with